Hello to all dear friends. I came back with another painting. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'm waiting for your comments and views. In this video, I try to draw a portrait by using acrylic paint and gold leaf. Living life is easier when you stop resisting change. Something changes in our lives every day and every moment. First of all, we change day by day, physically, spiritually, and mentally. Our environment, conditions, order, nature, habits, systems change, sometimes small and sometimes big. Some people are not even aware of them change. Some notice and accept some of them, while others show great resistance to them and don't want to accept them. "2022 is going to be a year in which each of us, without exception, deeply feels the change and finds it difficult to accept it. Every day we are faced with change which we do not think of and say, no more, this is too much. The world order, the way we live, the economy, relationships, systems, and many more are changed. We miss our previous way of life and order and want to go back to the old days as soon as possible. Every event that makes us unhappy, that develops against our will, revolts for every change. We say, I shouldn't have happened. I wish it had been our wish. Let it go back to the way it was before. We cannot accept what has happened. We imagine the possibility of what our lives would be like if this change had not occurred. By doing this, we are resisting against life, against what life brings. All this resistance we show in the face of the change that have taken place makes everything more difficult than it is, because it prevents us from both living the moment we are in the finding the necessary solutions. Every moment we spend thinking and talking about things that we cannot change, about an event that has happened. We live in the past and deal with it. Therefore, we waste our time and can't live at the moment and achieve anything. If we want to find a way to be happy or to move forward despite all the change that we are unhappy with, we need to accept the change. Saying that what we say, if it didn't happen, it happened and I wish it didn't happen. Thinking about the thing we couldn't do about what happened and talking about it doesn't change it, and it just wastes our energy and make us even more unhappy than we are. We must first recognize and accept this fact. Only then can we ask the question that will enable us to live in the moment and move forward. Well, what can I do to get what I want under these conditions? we accept and focus on what we can do through discretion instead of what we cannot change, we begin to live in the now instead of the past, and we can see solutions instead of problems. Thus, instead of wasting our energy, we use it more efficiently, and instead of looking in the direction we do not want to be unhappy, we look at the goal we want and become hopeful. When we stop resisting life, we align with life and step into a much easier life. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to click on the like button. Thank you for staying with me.